Hello again guys, welcome to a new video and maayong hapon Pilipinas, maayong gabi Canada. This evening we're gonna do a unboxing a Samsung A50 guys, and I also brought a screen and glass protector, and same thing is Samsung Galaxy A50 case. Yeah, and before we started, stay stay safe, be wise, be healthy, and stay home, guys. Cause you know what's going on around the world right now is not. This is not a joke. This is a really serious matter, guys, regarding about this in COVID-19. And I was off for about three 3 or 4 days, and when I came into the at work, it was really super strict. Right now at work, like it's like triple or quadruple the precaution to it. So please, guys, stay safe, uh, be wise, stay healthy, and stay home. And now let's get started to that unboxing the Samsung E50. Yeah, I'm a Samsung user, guys, but this time first one this I used the Samsung E50 series because I was using that Samsung Galaxy. I guess I got three or four of them back in days, and now I got my Samsung X cover, but that was a long one ago. It's like three years old Samsung cell phone. So now we start this Samsung E50 series, guys. Okay, ooh, voila, guys. Ooh, white color too. Yeah, cause when I was there, there's no black color but white. Okay, I'll take it, cause I need a new cell phone, guys. There you go, and we'll see if the yeah, this is the cord. Yeah, it's not much, guys. So yeah, and then probably yeah, everything is here. Is now is empty right now. So we'll check this glass. We're gonna remove this cover, guys, and this is about only a short look at this, guys. Look at this new Samsung E50. Yeah, okay, we'll start this yeah, cause yeah, this one only about short video, so probably I'm not gonna focus on that shell or the casing right now, so I'll wait for a bit. Okay guys, sorry for the delay. So I put the screen protector already. So probably the next one is the casing, guys. Okay, just give me for about another 20 or 10 seconds for a bit. Okay guys, here's the plain white casing. So I'll put it right here. Hold on for a bit. Okay guys, I now try to put this one in now, guys. There you go, guys. So yeah, it's in already, guys. So the Samsung E50 series, guys. Yeah, I like Samsung because it's a friendly friendly user. So I'm not sure if this charge. So probably tomorrow or the next day I'm gonna try if this phone is good to go, because my SIM card is still inside at this phone that I'm using. Well, probably we call in the evening. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.